Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video. And today for Tasty Find with
Tankmanjoe!
yes, Tankmanjoe. We're here to for Tasty Finds. We're here to taste and review something we saw at Trader Joe's. This is called crispy Thai chilies and sesame seeds. Crispy, savory, spicy Thai snack. That's what it looks like. And as you can see, Trader Joe's, and yeah, anyway. So, before we get into it, would like for you to give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. Oh, I can't speak. Hit that subscribe button, and hopefully you'll enjoy this ride while we put ourselves through the paces to taste these things, different snacks. So anyway, there are 3 servings in this container, and as you can see here, it's 2.8 ounces. All right, and you see the picture there, and then on the back there, and you could also see the breakdown. It's a half a cup is a serving, and if you so feel inclined to eat this whole bag, you have 510. I love it when they put this type of nutritional facts here, because sometimes you grab something, you just start going to town, you're watching a television show, and then once you're done, you realize, oh my gosh, I just consumed 510 calories, which is probably a little under half of your, or a third of your daily requirements or whatever. What were you going to say?
You don't have to put it on the back. All you need is a good calculator, and then you can do some calculation.
Yeah, but the average person...
is always carrying around a calculator.
An average person is just going to... Okay.
Oh wait, there's one important thing I want to say before we try this.
Okay, say it.
Alright.
Oh.
I need the back. Alright. So, unlike the last one, this contains calcium, potassium, and iron. Sadly, no vitamin D, but there's some calcium, iron, and potassium in this.
I'm sure people, when they look for their snacks, they're looking
Everyone's looking for calcium, iron, and vitamin
calcium.
Potassium, so.
Okay. Full disclaimer, I love Thai food. Thai food are one of my favorite types of food to consume, outside of the regular ones you hear about, you say Chinese, Japanese, Thai does not get enough. Thai does not get enough.
But what about pear food? Pear food's my favorite.
Okay, we're tasting this, not that. Okay, so this is one piece of it. It looks like, actually, to tell you the truth, it looks like the skin of an apple or some fruit, and it's been dehydrated. Yes. So ingredients, I'm going to read the first 3 ingredients, so that should give us an idea what this tastes like. Red chili peppers, sesame seeds, wheat flour. Here we go. Ooh, that's spicy. Picante. Woo. All right, we're gonna give this a review. Man, will you put that away? 1 to 4. 1 means give this a hard pass if you see it on the shelf. A 4 means I'm definitely going to get this again because this is right up my alley. I'm going to get me some water here because it was that spicy. And to me, that good. I can see this. I mean, you guys got to take a look at this. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it very well. I don't know if the light is capturing it. But you can see this would be great on top of a salad. If you're making a salad and you want to add a little spicy, a little delicious spice to it, yeah, I get this. Definitely a 4. It has the perfect crunch. The flavors are dancing on my tongue. I feel like my taste buds are doing like a little dance. It's like, yeah, this is good. Give me more, give me more. What do you think? What? What? 1 to 4. Give it a ranking.
It's like garbage. Why the heck would you eat this?
What?
It has no flavor.
None?
Just put spicy peppers on random. It's the definition of empty calories. I don't care if it has potassium, iron, or calcium in it. Go get a yogurt.
What? Man, you don't know what you're talking about.
Listen, there's no point in eating this. It's not even spicy.
It's not
Like
spicy?
and look at the dye in there. It's crazy.
There's no dye. There's no dye.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
telling you,
So
there's no dye. There's tomato, pepper. There's no dye. I mean, tomato. What?
There is dye.
There's no dye.
There is.
Okay, obviously,
dye. Okay.
obviously, he's trying to slam this, and there's no need to slam it. It's delicious.
There's no dye.
Tell the
But
truth.
Here's the thing.
Tell the truth.
No, listen.
Tell the truth.
Here's the thing.
Tell the truth.
Here's the thing.
Tell the truth.
You want spicy?
Tell the truth.
I am. Okay. If you want something that's spicy, go get a food item that's actually substantial, and then put like spicy peppers on it. Don't settle for this. There's no point in it. It's not even that spicy, and it's like,
What?
they're so little small, and after eating 3 of them, it'll make you want to throw up. I give it a 1. I would, if I saw this, I would move past it like there's a zombie from Plants vs. Zombies chasing after me.
Oh, that's a timely reference. Plants vs. Zombies. Sorry. What? Oh, okay. Well, as you can see in the descriptions, the mother is more adventurous and the son is very picky.
I'm actually more adventurous than her. So.
What? I don't think so.
She's never eaten an orange before. Like, how crazy is that?
All right, there you go. Anyway, thank you for stopping by. Give this video a thumbs up. Now, that's gross.
This is amazing. I'm still eating it from last video.
I'm going to post these in order so people can just see that review versus this review. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you hated it, give it a thumbs up. It doesn't hurt. And subscribe to this channel, okay? All right, so anyway, I hope you're being safe out there, and for all the children who've gone back to school, stay cool. Have a great year. Okay?
Wait, here's one thing.
Till next
If you're
time.
listen. If you're going to risk getting infected to get these, I wouldn't risk it. Save your time.
Obviously, this is not sponsored by Trader Joe's. Okay, until next time, everyone. Bye.